How to add or delete contact group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on phone app and click on contacts. After click on phone contacts, you will see groups is here. Click on groups. You will see your phone groups is here. If you want to delete groups, click on groups and click on group and click on this three dot icon and click on remove. You will see and click on all and click on this three dot icon, click on delete. You will see group is removed. If you want to add group, click on this plus icon and add group name. And after type name, you will add group ringtone. After add group ringtone, add members. So you will add members from here. After add members, click on done. You will see, click on save. You will see group is add. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or delete group contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.